You've worked your entire life to build a retirement nest egg. But now that inflation is going to be eating it alive, folks. That one grocery trip, the utility bill, a random doctor's visit, all the time is eating into it. And that's the quiet crisis that no one ever warns people about. A lot of folks do everything right. You saved your money, right? You invested, you hit the numbers, but the number keeps moving. And that is moving so much faster than what most people realize. And here's the thing. Here's what actually is happening, folks. They did a study back in 2024, and they found that, listen here, among retired Americans, the number one concern is inflation. That's it. The inflation eroding into the value of their assets. That's huge. Getting beating out the fear of healthcare costs is even stock market crash. That's not the fear. It's running out of investments. Why? Because inflation's eating into everything. And that's what's keeping a lot of retirees up at night. I've been licensed for the last decade. I see it all the time. And honestly, folks, you're right to be worried right now. You're right with that inflation. Because look, think about a modest inflation rate. What it actually does over time. We're talking 2.5% per year. Your purchasing power, it gets nearly cut in half over 30 years, right? That's $5,000 a month that you are counting on. It could feel more like $2,600 by the time a couple decades have passed. And that's not even the worst case scenario. That's a mild version. You guys saw what happened. You saw what happened right around COVID, right? The real gut punch though is the math on the cost of living over a full retirement. Okay? You retire at 65 and you live into your late 80s, which is increasingly common now these days. What does that mean? You're looking at a 20 to 25 year stretch where every single year your dollar is going to be buying less and less. And if your first year of retirement costs $60,000, $5K a month, you're going to need what? Almost $110,000 to maintain that lifestyle in the next 15, 20, 25 years. We're talking at 2.5% inflation. Now, I'm not even trying to be dramatic. That's just compounding math, folks. Compounding math, compound interest, doing what it does. All right. And here's the part that really stings a lot of folks. A lot of people, they're going to assume Social Security covers that gap. We already know it doesn't fully. Right? Social Security benefits, what do they say? It lost about 20% of buying power between 2010 and 2024. Okay? And that was the Nonpartisan Senior Citizens League. That the cost of living adjustments, right? The way they were calculated on that past data, that's where they came up with that. So they're always chasing inflation instead of just keeping up with it for Social Security. So what does that mean? You're always steps behind, folks. Now, you add healthcare costs on top of that, you're talking a Medicare cost, and you've probably seen Medicare costs has increased an average of 5.3% annually over the past 30 years, right? Compared to what? Just an overall inflation rate of about 2.6%. So the category that hits retirees the hardest is inflation, right? At roughly double the general rate of what they already have. And it's only going to get more expensive as you age. And that spending category, okay, it tends to go up with everything else. So I tell people, look, man, this is huge. So here's what it is. So what's the actual problem retirees are trying to solve? It's not just I need income. It's I need income that consistently grows. Because a fixed income stream, right, against the rising cost of living and inflation, you're losing value every single year. And look, the clock for retirement starts the moment you retire when this inflation kicks in. Now you already know the 401k or the IRA that felt safe while it was growing, guess what? It shifts into a completely different role the moment you stop adding to it and you start withdrawing and drawing it down. Now, it's not just about returns, folks. It's about sequence. One bad year early in your retirement combined with regular withdrawals of that retirement, we're talking it could permanently damage what that account is pretty much able to generate for the rest of your life. For the rest of your life, folks. That's called a sequence of returns risk. And inflation just is going to make that 10 times worse, guys. So here's what most retirees actually need. They need to have a layered income strategy, right? Think of it like building a paycheck that adjusts for inflation rather than just one that stays flat, like your Social Security or something just stays flat. Some portion of your income, it needs to grow with prices, not just keep pace. But you got to make sure it stays ahead of so you can outpace inflation so you're not constantly having to shrink your lifestyle just to keep the lights on because inflation's eating into that fixed income. So what does that mean? That means looking seriously at what? Different kind of assets. Assets, they've historically outpaced inflation, right? So it means that you're not keeping too much cash around, which a lot of my clients do. It means thinking about the timing of when you want to start drawing down from those different kind of accounts. And then what it means that you got to treat your retirement income like a plan, not just a pile of money, okay? You're going to pull whenever you need it, but you need to have a plan for it. Because here's the bottom line, folks. I've been doing this for a decade. The bucket doesn't refill once you retire. Every dollar that you spend today is a dollar that's not going to be compounding in retirement for tomorrow. And then the inflation is quietly and it's relentless and it's shrinking the purchasing value of every dollar in that bucket at the end of the day. So whether you spend it or not, spend your money, you're not spending it, you're losing power. So retirees who protect themselves, they aren't the ones with what? They're not the ones with the biggest portfolios. No, they're the ones who understand, right? They understand this early enough to be able to build different kind of income streams that are designed to fight back. That's your annuities. I can help you with annuities. Your IULs, your Roth IRAs, right? Don't let a lifetime savings just quietly be undone by a problem that most of you guys already see. Most of you about to hit retirement, you already know this problem. So make sure you're proactive. So if this is something that actually helps you guys, make sure you guys like, follow, and subscribe. Click in the description below. I have some spreadsheets you can use to see if you're on track or schedule a consultation. And with that being said, ladies and gents, just here to drop a few cents. You're here to retire with Earl, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.